Well, 421 mile, just over 4 weeks. It seems a long time to do that. We've made it. We're here in Ardfern. We're sitting out on our mooring boat now. So we've got a bit of an easterly blowing today. Well, we've had it for the last couple of days actually. Makes it a little bit bouncy coming out to Baru in the dinghy. Janet's away doing laundry at the moment, so it'll be a little bit of a bouncy ride coming back. Might see if we can find a different way. Must say though, I slept like a log last night. Didn't take long to go off. Headed the pillar and I was gone until about 5 this morning. Really pleasant night's sleep. Janet said there was a bit of snoring. Bit of clanking of the mooring chain, and that was it. So looking at the mooring, pickup buoy is there. That's the pickup buoy we use. It's just got a bit of rope to the end of the chain, and it seems everybody here basically loops the chain around a cleat. Now what I've done is I'm using our snubber, that's hooked in, and I've got tension on the snubber line and on the chain. I've just sort of equalised it a little bit, so we're using both front cleats to take the weight. And I've also put a little bit of redundant tubing around the mooring chain, just to protect well, the tow rail and the bow section on the boat. Some take out the anchor and the anchor on deck. We tried that, we did that, but it's a bloody heavy anchor is ours, and it's really all getting it on deck. So we've ended up putting it back in, and we've settled for now at this. I think when we lay the boat up, I will lift the anchor out and I will bring mooring chain down through the bow line. We're having a gentle sail, destination wherever. Just going down Loch Craignish. Very light breezes today, but not worried because we've got no time, no destination apart from getting back onto our mooring.
We're sailing. How many miles have we done? We've had the sails up, the engine running. Now we've got the sails up and it's peaceful. Retirement in it, bliss, after the wind.
A little Baru is behind us. Used to be Little Labour. Well, one of the advantages of being on a swing mooring is we've come straight out. We've just decided to come out and do some more tests with the self-tacking jib. It's changed the furling line. I've gone down to a 6mm. It was an 8, but it was binding up on the furler. So we've got to try a 6, and that's what we're doing. We've got a grand total of about, well, it's got up to 5 knots of wind, but we're only doing a knot. Well, we're actually doing a little bit of wing on wing. I've got the main pushed out this side, and I've got the self tacker out on the other side. I've just tied her off so that it is going to stay out on starboard, and we're drifting nicely at 2.3 knots. So we've done about 3 miles through the water, which will be probably about 1.5 miles this afternoon, but that was all about testing the self-tacker. So what we've done is the furling line we've changed to a 6mm from an 8, which means I can get more wraps on the furling drum. And on the self-tacker, all I've done is I've tied it off here so that it's pulled across this way, and it's catching a little bit of breeze, and that's all it is. And the main is pushed out. Oh, I have speeded up. 2.2, nearly 2.5.
The difference between having a time slot and a destination.
So Goat Island, just there, we're in an anchorage. It's a bit breezy, a bit cool today, not quite as nice as previous days. We're just going to have a bit of lunch here, and that's the DSC alert going off again, I think.
Yeah, which one? Let's put that on table.
It's banquet time.
It is.
Sitting at anchor.
It'll do, won't it?
It will.
Yes.
Yeah. See our mooring. Second ball, which is yeah. We've got number 6 bang ahead of us, so that's it. Fall off the port and then just keep us going. Keep on that track. Yeah, we're still on track. We're still on track. Yeah, It's all right. Keep straight. Keep straight. Into reverse now. Reverse hard. That's it. That's it. I've got it. Reverse. That's it. Yeah, I've got you. And we're hooked on. Okay, just let that settle back. Come on, keep coming back. Yep. That's it now.
Cool, well done, Janet.
Well, we've not had to do a roundabout yet. It's fine, he's just there.
No, he's left, he's left.
He hasn't left, honestly.
He's gone, he's gone.
I won't allow him to.
Never been left.
Wasn't. Aren't we friends yet?
No.
Well, it's home day today. Just got our laying up checklist. Some of it's already done, the last bits to do. Just need a bit of brekkie first. All good things have to come to an end. Not only was our timing for this visit, but also the weather. The weather had changed. It was a rainy morning ride back to the hill. To be picked up, head back to Argyll.